What is up guys, welcome to a brand new video of Absolute Digital. In this video, I will show you how you can add a profile picture to your Pinterest account. So let's start this video by launching the Pinterest app. When the app is launched, you have to go to your profile by tapping on the profile icon at the black bar at the bottom of the screen. Now on your profile, you have to tap on your profile icon to change your profile picture. And then tap on change profile picture, but there is another way. Tap on settings icon and then tap on edit profile. Now tap on edit and then tap on update profile picture. You can take a picture right away or choose from your device gallery. I'll select a picture from my gallery. Now I'll open my gallery. Let me just quickly select my picture. And it will take a few moments. And your profile picture is now updated on your profile. So if you find this video helpful, then do drop a like and make sure to subscribe for more tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.